Hi, I'm Eric, and welcome back to Canada Casino, your guide for online gambling. In this video, I'll be talking about starting hands in poker and why it might be a very good thing that you play less of them. In other words, you need to take a good hard look at the cards you're given and say, I'm worth more than that. I don't need you. So after watching this video, you'll know when and why to fold most of your starting hands you get in Texas Hold'em. Let's get right into it. Tip number 1. My first tip is to decide whether you're playing for fun or playing for the green stuff. Money. Cold hard cash to be specific. One of the reasons it's physically difficult to play just the good hands is because it's very tedious. The problem many players have is that they get bored easily. They want to gamble, have fun, and play some poker hands. You're actively choosing to fold more often than you usually would and watch other players play the rounds in front of you. It really builds up patience, but you can use that time wisely too by analyzing the body language of the players who are still in the hand. My second tip is to only put money in the pot when you have a really good hand. So, what is a good hand? It actually depends on your sitting position at the table. This is because at each position, you'll be gaining different amounts of information about how good other players' hands are. In other words, each position has its own range of good hands. If you happen to be in a late position, you have the luxury of knowing how strong the hands of your opponents are. If everyone playing before you calls, but doesn't raise or simply folds, odds are your hand is pretty good. A rule of thumb is that if nobody in front of you has raised, you should raise. If you just call a big blind, it's called limping, and the word says it all. You want to show confidence, not a halfway, I'm not sure what I'm doing limp. But let's get back to your position at the table. In these starting positions, I recommend that you only play 5% of your hands. So what does this mean in practice? It means that you should fold anything less than pocket jacks or higher, ace king, or ace queen. When your position moves to the middle and late positions at the table, you should open up those ranges. In the middle position, you should keep middle range pairs like pocket 7s and up, or ace 10s and higher. The late position is the one to really use to your advantage, and new players don't use this nearly enough as they should. You should be raising ace 8s and higher, king queens, and any pocket pairs such as 2-2s. The negative side to raising with, let's say, a king jack is that if a player in the blind position does call you, meaning to match your bet or raise, it might mean they have a stronger hand. In the case that someone has already raised and you're the one who has to respond to that, just follow the guidelines I've shown to you. They are way tighter than what your opponents will be playing by, and you can have confidence in your hand. In the case that someone in the middle position is raising and you're on the button with, let's say, ace queen, you should definitely raise instead of just calling. A lot of loose players will be raising in the middle position, and you can use that behavior to build up the pot. Another tip I want to mention is to not underestimate kicker cards. Because so many wins can actually be affected by these, it's really important that at least when you're still gaining experience, to only play when you have a really good hand. If you want to become a poker pro with a face and set of nerves made of steel, one way is to narrow the starting hands that you would play. I can understand that new players want to imitate all the cool bluffs poker players make. You have to understand though, that when you're playing low stakes, it's more important to get the maximum value out of your hands. When playing at low stakes, it might not be the best strategy to bluff big if you want to make money. If you do it to practice your own poker face or body language cues, well, that's a different story. If you have any tips of your own, make sure to leave them down below in the comments. Leave a like if you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe for more gambling content. This was Canada Casino, and I'll see you guys next time.